Hi, I'm Dan from Proporta. I work in the IT department, and today we're going to show you the Raspberry Pi and the new official screen running off the Proporta TurboCharger 12,000. And here's the turbocharger. Inside we have the turbocharger itself, which has 2 ports, which is handy because the Raspberry Pi and the screen quite like 2 power connections. That's the Raspberry Pi there, and there's a screen on the front in the case. And what we'll do is we'll connect up the turbocharger. I'm using short USB leads. We can find them in our store. When I tried using long leads, the Raspberry Pi was complaining about low voltage, so the shorter the better. I'm going to plug the high power connector into the screen and the lower power connector into the Raspberry Pi itself, because the Raspberry Pi won't need quite as much power as the screen. As you can see, it's booting up. Nice techie stuff scrolling past there for those who read it. And that's starting off X server now. It's not the fastest machine in the world, but those of you who've got Raspberry Pis already know that. And there we are, Raspberry Pi up and running. And the turbocharger fits nicely between the legs of the case at the back. So with that, you have a totally portable Raspberry Pi. And with this turbocharger, it's 12,000 milliamps. And because the Raspberry Pi power supply is rated at 2 amps, you'd expect 6 hours runtime. We tested it last night with a Wi-Fi dongle in there, and we got 12 hours runtime. If you wanted longer, take the USB Wi-Fi dongle out and it will go a lot longer. If you use a wired network, it will go a lot quicker, but it won't be as portable. And it also works with the turbocharger 8000, and nice piece of kit. Totally portable Raspberry Pi, nice new screen, go where you want.